first skin prep is so important, so I'm going in with Drench It.
I just feel like my skin is actually just drinking the product.
Drench it.
Drench It is a soothing prime and milk. It's ultra hydrated and it gives an immediate glow to the skin. It plumps the skin and you're gonna feel right away the instant hydration.
Drench It is a very sophisticated skincare product because it is the first thing that touches your skin. It's the first thing that's hydrating your skin and really prepare the skin for everything else that comes after it.
When you go to wash dishes, do you pick up a dry sponge and wash your dishes? No, you don't. Sponges have pores. The face has pores, okay? You need to wet your sponge in order for it to absorb the water, the soap. The same thing goes on your face. And think of it like this. This is going to prep your skin to absorb and soak in all of that other skin prep goodness you're gonna put on top of it. That is why Drench It to me is the secret ingredient in point of view.
Typically in essences, water is the first ingredient, and we said, why not make it an active water versus a passive water? And so Drench It actually has 60% of fermented rice water, so it's highly, highly active.
So fermented rice and other fermentations in that product are designed to create more of a brightening effect to the skin, and over time, it will refine the texture of your skin. So the pores become much smaller, much more evident visibly. The skin will start becoming brighter.
You notice it's very liquidy, very watery, and I did that on purpose because I really wanted you to be able to drench your skin. So I've completely soaked my hands in the product. What I like to do is just press this right into the skin. Really soak it in, get it into your pores.
And in fact, when we did our clinical testing, clinical testing doesn't lie. Our regulatory person has been around the block for a very long time, and she's like, the testing lab has never seen results like this so high for an essence with this type of hydration. So, yeah, it's good
Proof's
stuff.
in the pudding.
Exactly.